So it's January of 2020 and you are self-employed. You're thinking about doing your taxes and you're strategizing with your CPA to come up with a tax plan. But did you include your mortgage guy in that team to help you get tax advice? Listen up and I'll tell you why that's important. Hey everybody, John King with Summit Funding, and I want to talk to all of my people who are self-employed and getting ready to strategize with their tax person about their tax returns that they're about to turn into the IRS. You're typically looking at strategy for how to set up your taxes to pay the least amount of taxes, and I fully agree with that strategy, unless you're thinking about buying or refinancing a home. You need to talk to your mortgage guy before you file your taxes with the IRS, because there are things that you can do to impact how you're going to qualify for a mortgage, even though it may make only a little bit of an impact to your actual tax liability. I'll give you a simple example. Simple example may be whether you write off your expenses for your vehicle using mileage versus using actual expenses. If you write it off using actual expenses, you might save a couple $100 in taxes. But mileage gives me a huge advantage because almost half of the amount of money you write off in mileage is actually considered depreciation in the eyes of the IRS, and I get to add that back into your income. So maybe it makes a little bit of a difference in how much you owe in taxes, but a huge difference in how much money you're able to qualify for in doing a mortgage. It's simple advice like that that I can give you if you are self-employed and you're thinking about buying or refinancing a home this year. So if you're in that situation, go to your tax preparer, get your taxes prepared, but do not file them. Print or email a copy to me so I can review and give you my thoughts on some things you might be able to adjust to give you better outcomes when you're looking to purchase or refinance a home. If you have questions about this or anything else, give me a holler and have an absolutely amazing week. Bye-bye.